All right, we're downtown Topeka here about 10:30 on Monday morning. You can maybe see the work here on the demolition here taking place for the Evergreen right here at the northeast corner of 7th and Kansas Avenue down here in the heart of downtown Topeka. Buildings are just about down here near the corner. What's the real story today, though, is the wind blowing here. You can see right here above me, the winds are coming furiously out of the northeast. This is going to continue now throughout the rest of the day. Temperatures that were about 40 degrees this morning, a little bit of rain here in the capital city. Those temperatures are going to continue to plunge throughout the day today. And by 5 o'clock or so, it should be down to the low 20s. Wind chills are going to be probably right down around 0 or thereabouts. And then we have more cold weather coming in on Tuesday and Wednesday. There's going to be a wind chill advisory starting on Tuesday. Today we just have a wind advisory, but the wind chill advisory, and you can just see the wind here really making its presence down here in downtown. If you went outside today, you didn't need anybody to tell you it's a windy day. Do be careful if you're out and about, and again, dress appropriately because frostbite can occur in about 30 minutes on these days of low wind chills. So we will sign off again from downtown Topeka, where again it's about 10 to 20 a.m. here on Monday. And again, strong winds blowing in downtown all throughout Topeka, northeast Kansas. Wind advisory in effect today. Be ready for cold weather in the next couple of days, down around 10 degrees for a high on Wednesday. Reporting from downtown Topeka, it's Phil Anderson for CJOnline.com.